Welcome to Afro Asia Natural Health Tips, your channel for insights into healthy living, inspired by the wisdom of two continents. Today we're diving deep into the world of dietary supplements, a topic of increasing relevance in our health-conscious society. With the growing focus on health and wellness, dietary supplements have become a common part of many Malaysians' daily routines. As a member of the Malaysian Dietary Supplement Association, I've observed that certain supplements, such as fish oil, vitamin C, vitamin D, multivitamins, and probiotics are among the most widely used. These supplements are not unique to Malaysia. They reflect a broader global trend towards boosting health through additional nutrients. But did you know that many of these nutrients can be readily obtained from natural food sources? Join me as we explore some effective and delicious alternatives to popular supplements. Fish oil supplements have long been touted for their rich omega-3 fatty acid content, particularly EPA and DHA, which are crucial for heart, brain and eye health. However, the journey to obtaining these beneficial fats doesn't have to begin and end with a capsule. Nature provides us with an abundance of delicious alternatives. One of the most direct ways to enjoy the benefits of omega-3s is by incorporating fatty fish into your diet. Salmon, renowned for its vibrant pink flesh and rich flavor, is an excellent source of both EPA and DHA. Sardines, often enjoyed tinned or grilled, pack a powerful omega-3 punch despite their small size. Mackerel, another oily fish with a distinct taste, is another great source. But what if you're following a vegetarian or vegan lifestyle? Fret not, as the plant kingdom offers its own set of omega-3 heroes. Chia seeds, those tiny nutritional powerhouses, are a plant-based source of ALA and omega-3 fatty acid that our bodies can convert into EPA and DHA. Flax seeds, with their nutty flavor, are another excellent source of ALA and can be easily incorporated into smoothies, yogurt or sprinkled over salads. Walnuts, enjoyed as a snack or added to trail mixes, also contribute to our omega-3 intake. And for those seeking a direct source of DHA from the plant kingdom, algae-based supplements are an excellent option. These supplements are derived from microalgae, the primary source of DHA in fish, making them a suitable choice for individuals following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Remember, a diverse and balanced diet, rich in whole foods, is key to obtaining the nutrients our bodies need. Vitamin C, an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in immune function, collagen synthesis, and antioxidant protection, is often associated with brightly colored citrus fruits, and rightly so. Oranges, with their juicy segments and refreshing taste, are a well-known source of this vital vitamin. Lemons, often used to add a tangy twist to beverages and dishes, are another excellent source. Grapefruits, enjoyed for their slightly bittersweet flavor, also contribute significantly to our vitamin C intake. But the world of vitamin C-rich foods extends far beyond citrus fruits. Kiwi fruit, with its vibrant green flesh and unique flavor, is a true vitamin C champion. Strawberries, a summer favorite enjoyed fresh or in desserts, are another delicious way to boost your intake. Guavas, with their tropical aroma and sweet tart flavor, are a hidden gem of vitamin C. Blackcurrants, often enjoyed as jams or juices, pack a concentrated dose of this essential nutrient. Papayas, known for their creamy texture and mild sweetness, are another tropical fruit rich in vitamin C. Cantaloupes, a type of melon with juicy orange flesh, are a refreshing source, especially during warmer months. Moving beyond fruits, we encounter a variety of vegetables that contribute significantly to our vitamin C intake. Chili peppers, known for their heat, are surprisingly rich in this essential vitamin. Kale, a leafy green powerhouse, is another excellent source. Broccoli, enjoyed steamed, roasted or stir-fried, provides a good dose of vitamin C along with other essential nutrients. Spinach, a versatile leafy green that forms the base of many salads and dishes, is another good source. Brussels sprouts, often roasted to bring out their nutty flavor, are another cruciferous vegetable rich in vitamin C. And finally, red bell peppers, with their sweet flavor and crunchy texture, round up our list of vitamin C heroes. Chapter 3. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in calcium absorption, bone health, and immune function. While sun exposure allows our bodies to produce vitamin D naturally, incorporating certain foods into our diet can also contribute to our intake. For seafood enthusiasts, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel and sardines, already recognized for their omega-3 content, are also excellent sources of vitamin D. These fish can be enjoyed grilled, baked or pan-fried as part of a healthy and balanced diet. For those who prefer land-based protein sources or follow a vegetarian diet, fortified foods offer a convenient way to obtain vitamin D. Dairy products like milk, yogurt and cheese are often fortified with this essential vitamin. Plant-based milk alternatives such as almond milk, soy milk and oat milk are also increasingly fortified with vitamin D, catering to a wider range of dietary preferences. Certain breakfast cereals are fortified with vitamin D, providing a quick and easy way to boost your intake in the morning. Orange juice, a popular breakfast beverage, is also often fortified with vitamin D, making it a convenient source for those who enjoy a glass of OJ to start their day. Mushrooms, a versatile ingredient enjoyed in various cuisines worldwide, offer a unique way to obtain vitamin D. When exposed to UV light, mushrooms produce vitamin D2, a form that our bodies can utilize. Maitake and shiitake mushrooms in particular are known for their vitamin D content when exposed to UV light. These mushrooms can be enjoyed sautéed, grilled or added to soups and stews for a flavorful and nutritious boost. Chapter 4. Multivitamins often promise a convenient way to fill nutritional gaps. However, the beauty of a balanced diet lies in obtaining a diverse range of nutrients from whole food sources. Leafy greens, often hailed as nutritional powerhouses, are a great place to start. Spinach, with its mild flavor and versatility, is an excellent source of vitamins A, C and K, along with several B vitamins. Kale, another leafy green powerhouse, boasts a similar nutrient profile. Swiss chard, with its colorful stalks and slightly bitter taste, is another great source of these essential vitamins. Whole grains, a staple in many cultures, provide more than just energy. Quinoa, a complete protein source, is rich in B vitamins, iron, magnesium and dietary fiber. Oats, enjoyed as porridge or added to baked goods, are another good source of B vitamins and fiber. Brown rice, a healthier alternative to white rice, provides a good dose of B vitamins, iron, magnesium and fiber. Nuts and seeds, enjoyed as snacks or added to trail mixes, are nutritional powerhouses in their own right. Almonds, with their satisfying crunch and subtle sweetness, are a good source of vitamin E, zinc and healthy fats. Sunflower seeds, enjoyed on their own or sprinkled over salads, are another excellent source of vitamin E. Pumpkin seeds, often roasted to bring out their nutty flavor, are a good source of zinc and healthy fats. By incorporating a variety of these nutrient-rich foods into our diets, we can create a natural multivitamin that nourishes our bodies from the inside out. Chapter 5. Probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that reside in our gut, play a crucial role in digestion, immune function, and overall health. While probiotic supplements have gained popularity, incorporating fermented foods into our diet is a natural and delicious way to support a healthy gut microbiome. Yogurt, a dairy product enjoyed for its creamy texture and tangy flavor, is a well-known source of probiotics when it contains live active cultures. Kefir, a fermented milk drink with a slightly tart and effervescent taste, is another excellent source. Kombucha, a fermented tea drink with a slightly sweet and tangy flavor, has gained popularity for its probiotic content and potential health benefits. Kimchi, a staple in Korean cuisine, is a spicy and fermented cabbage dish that adds a flavorful punch to meals while providing beneficial probiotics. Sauerkraut, a fermented cabbage dish popular in German cuisine, is another excellent source of probiotics and can be enjoyed as a condiment or side dish. Miso, a fermented soybean paste used in Japanese cuisine, adds a savory umami flavor to soups, sauces and marinades while contributing to a healthy gut microbiome. These fermented foods not only provide beneficial probiotics, but also offer a range of other nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet can contribute to a diverse and thriving gut microbiome, supporting overall health and well-being. As we've explored, the popularity of dietary supplements reflects a global desire for better health. However, the true magic often lies in embracing the simplicity and richness of whole foods. Many of the benefits we seek from supplements can be found in a well-balanced diet filled with fresh fruits, vegetables, whole Whole grains, healthy fats, and lean protein sources. Rather than relying solely on pills and powders, let's prioritize nourishing our bodies with the abundance that nature provides. A colorful plate filled with a variety of whole foods is not just visually appealing, but also a testament to a healthier and more sustainable approach to well-being. Remember, while food is a powerful tool for health, it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen. Embrace the power of whole foods and embark on a journey of nourishment from the inside out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video by Afro Asia Natural Health Tips for more tips like this.